3 releases in 2 days. 1 major feature, 3 critical fixes. Let's break it down. The headline: fastMode now works with Opus 4.6. Type /fast to toggle it on, and you'll get noticeably faster responses at a higher token cost. Pricing starts at $30 per million input tokens, and there's a 50% launch discount through February 16th. It auto-falls back to standard speed when you hit the rate limit. Same model, same quality, just faster. 3 important fixes. A sandbox bypass that let excluded commands skip permission checks, now locked down. An agent Teams crash when settings changed mid-render, resolved. And /fast is now instantly available after enabling extra usage. Run Claude update to get these releases right now. Over 65,000 developers already use Claude Code. Hit subscribe, more updates are coming fast.